Hi, I'm Robin Anderson, and I'm going to show you how I use AI to help me with my prospecting. I'm using a combination of seamless.ai, which I do pay for, and then also a ChatGPT spreadsheet plugin. So super easy. What I'm going to do is prospect by search intent. So I'm going to look at everybody in Colorado that's searching for video production. And then I'm going to save those contacts from Seamless AI, import them into a Google spreadsheet, and then use ChatGPT to create customized emails for everybody in that spreadsheet. I'm hoping to send out about 50 to 100 today. All right, I have my prospects into the GPT Excel spreadsheet, so I'll just show you what to do from here. First thing you're going to do is go ahead and create the task. So my task is I'm writing an email to prospects of my company, One Flora. Style, go ahead and put whatever you need to in there. As you all probably know by now, we use Mila Kunis as our brand personality, and it's actually my personal brand personality as well. So that works out quite well. And then you're going to type in the topic. I like to be really to the point. Remember, ChatGPT is a robot, so don't give it too much. In prospecting, I always like to keep it short and sweet. I'm just trying to get them to reply so that I can do an in-person meeting, a phone call, or Zoom meeting. I'm not trying to tell them everything that we do and everything that I want to sell to them. So go ahead and put hi first name, relate company with the topic, and I have sign as Robin. Your ChatGPT extension should be here. Mine's already on, but if it's off, you put it on here. All you're going to do is do a simple equal sign GPT. This will pop up under here so you know it's working. And then you're going to go ahead and highlight these. Oops, sorry. Don't forget the parenthesis. You're going to highlight these 3 columns. You're going to do a comma, and then you're going to highlight these 2, and then a comma and a 1. Close it and hit enter. So while that's loading up, kind of just review what you asked it to do and make sure that the email that comes up is on point with what you asked. So I think that sounds pretty good. Again, I want it to be short and sweet. So what you do next is, if you want to just have this formula go through the entire spreadsheet, all you're going to do is put $signs between the B and 1 and the D and the 8. And you're going to drag this plus sign all the way down to your last one. And then it's going to load all of those messages for you. So I think that's where the real magic is. I personally will take these as a template and I'll start them. You can also take these and make a Zapier connection where they end up as drafts in your email, so you don't have to copy and paste too much. I'll do a video on how to do that as well. Thanks. Use technology to make your life easier and follow me. Bye.